actually, during this quarantine, we can't go anywhere. The girls are going crazy and we're just gonna lose our minds. Hey guys, it's Joy Michaela here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a soak off. Now if you don't know what a soak off is, it's basically taking off your artificial nails. I thought, during this quarantine, we aren't able to go to our local beauty salon, so why don't we just bring the beauty salon home and take off our nails ourselves? Because yeah, they be growing out and looking really dusty. Like I've had these since mid-March and it's now April, and yeah, they be looking really dusty and it's really rough. Like some of us are really going through the pits right now, but don't worry, you don't have to look ghetto, you don't have to look dusty during this lockdown, because your girl got you. In this video I'll be showing you step by step how to do a soak off. Anyways, I just hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, please don't forget to comment, and yeah, I love you guys, and don't forget to stay joyful. This is what you'll need to do a soak off: some nail clippers, a nail file, a cuticle pusher, a pair of scissors, cotton pads, nail polish remover, the one that's actually for artificial nails, and some tinfoil. And you want to do this all on like a towel, so please just don't do this on a plain old table because you will damage your table. We're going to start by rolling out the tinfoil, and you just want to cut a big piece out. I think this is like 1.5 ruler, if not just over like a ruler length, and then you're going to fold that in half. Okay, and then you're going to turn it around and fold it again in half. Just get it really flat, and then fold it again, and then fold it for the last time. You're going to fold it 4 times, okay? And then cut the sides. You just want to cut the sides so that it like literally cuts all the layers of tinfoil. Okay, gonna put that to the side, and now we're just gonna separate all the pieces of foil, and you'll see if you count them you need to have at least 10. You might just get more, and if you get less that means you need to cut some more. And yeah, if you do this method you should get more than 10. And now to prepare the cotton pads, you're going to take 3 cotton pads, again cut it in half, and then cut it in half again. You cut the cotton pads twice, and it should give you 10, at least 10 of these, probably more than that. Yeah, so we're all good, we're ready to go. And yeah, we're going to start by clipping our nails with the nail clipper. And what you want to do is you just want to get the artificial nail off first, and then once you're done doing the whole procedure, then you can like start shaping your actual nail and seeing where you want to chop and shave off. But for now we just want to cut off the artificial nail and get that out of the way. Since we're done that, we're going to start filing. Just slightly file all your nails. Oh, and by the way, this is acrylic tips that I'm doing. So I have acrylic and like an artificial nail glued on. So that's going to take pretty long. When I did this, it literally took me like 2.5 hours, but that's because people were interrupting me like throughout, and yeah, you'll see later on in the video. But yeah, it's just acrylic takes really long when you're doing it by yourself. And yeah, in the bottom I'm also doing the same procedure, just with my gelish tips. Oh no, not tips, gelish nails. Yeah, I'm doing the same with gelish nails, and with gelish it's literally much quicker. So we just done the first round of filing, and now we're gonna start putting on the Q-Tix nail polish remover. You want to drench your cotton pad in this stuff, like it needs to be wet. And yeah, and then you're just gonna cover it. You're gonna cover your nail. Cover your nail with the drenched cotton pad. And then you're just gonna take a piece of foil and wrap it around to secure the cotton pad on there. Yeah, and you can see it's all wrapped up and ready to go. So you just do the same thing with all the other nails. I don't know if you can see this, but in the corner for my gelish soak off, I'm using a different like applicator thing for, well, yeah, it looks like I'm using a totally different nail polish remover, and it's actually just like an old nail polish remover, which was the sorbet one, but I just poured this Q-Tix remover in there because literally the application is so much better. Like, I don't know, it helps me, like, because it's like a pushing, it's like, I don't know how to explain this, but you just push down and literally it soaks up. Yeah, girl, anyways, you just push it down, as you can see, and literally all the Q-Tix remover comes out, and it properly drenches this cotton pad. And yeah, I just thought that it was really convenient, and so I kept the bottle. And yeah, it works just like a charm, and it literally helps the process much quicker. Like right now, as you're watching, I had to like slow down the gelish just so it can keep up with the acrylic. Yeah, it's a mad thing right there. But yeah, basically you just carry on, and we're almost done both hands now. Yeah, you're just gonna cover them, and yeah, just wait. For acrylic, you want to wait from 10 to 15 minutes, and for gelish, you want to wait 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so let's just take off one after we've waited, and you're going to take your cuticle pusher and just scrub off the top. It should come off easily on its own. You don't really need to force it. But yeah, so you're just going to scrub off the top, and then take your nail file afterwards and just file it off. As you can see, off from the first attempt on the gelish, literally so much is coming off, and that's just the first attempt. So I just decided to switch this to make this video nice and quick and more convenient for everyone. But literally, like I said in the beginning, it's the same method for acrylic and for gelish nails. But yeah, it's literally so quick with gelish nails. Sometimes I wonder and I ask myself, why do you go through the stress of getting artificial nails? you can literally do this on your own. You can get these products from Clicks, Discam. That's where I got mine from. I got mine from Clicks. But you can even get it from like a supermarket like Pick and Pay, Checkers, and yeah, you can get the stuff like from the beauty section, honestly. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm taking my cuticle pusher and I'm taking it off. Taking off the excess nail and then filing it off. And you just do this step for all the nails. And after that, you don't force anything. You don't like force everything to come off. Just put the little foil thing back on your finger and it should be fine. And just wait a bit. I don't even think you have to wait that long. After that, the Q-tips should be activating. But for your acrylic nails, you want to wait a bit. Back to acrylic. So as you can see, it's been activating. And yeah, the sad part is my camera stopped recording after this. I have no idea why. Someone probably like came in my room and asked me to do something, and wow. But anyways, this is the end result for the acrylic nails 2.5 hours later. So I just finished it off by taking my Q-tips remover and just wiping the rest. I think it's because I was holding my camera here so you don't really see it properly, but that's pretty much it. I was so fed up because I was sitting in that chair for 2.5 hours. But if you want to save money like me, then it's worth it. Like, they be charging mad prices just for a soak off, like up to 150 rand, and that's 150 rand I can save. But yeah, so I'm just out here finishing off my gelish. The gelish, by the way, took less than 45 minutes for me, and this gel was pretty heavy duty in a way, but gelish in general, it's like a step up to nail polish. Like, it won't come off like nail polish would. Anyways, I'm just finishing it off, taking my cuticle pusher and then my nail file. But yeah, it's really nice, and it's actually really relaxing to do a soak off by yourself, because sometimes at the nail salon it's really scary because these ladies, they literally dig into your nails with that cuticle pusher and they push your cuticles back. And for me, I'm very delicate and I literally bruise easily, so I just any time to avoid that, I just do. Right now I'm going in with some oil for my cuticles. I'll be sure to link it down below. And yeah, I thought I was done, but I wasn't. I took some nail hardener because your girl's nails are weak AF. They may look strong from afar, but best believe they break if I don't have like something on top of my nails. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that now. And yeah, they're as good as new. And yeah, just to finish it off, I'm gonna take some hand cream. Yeah, but that's the one that I use. It's pretty old. Like, I think I've had it for like 5 years now. I don't even think it's still fresh, but it still does the job. But yeah, I'm taking my hand cream that's practically finished. Yeah, but there's still some inside. And yeah, just rubbing that in. Yeah, so that my hands are nice and hydrated after the Q-tips remover. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Yeah, like, I do this alone by myself. You know, it's calming. I listen to music. And yeah, just take charge of your life for a change. Don't forget to stay joyful. I love you. Bye. by the way, I just want to say thank you to everyone who tuned in and shared my video with everyone. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.